In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum multiple tables in Microsoft Word using field codes. Calculating totals across multiple tables can be tricky if you're trying to do it manually, but Microsoft Word provides powerful tools through field codes to perform automatic calculations. This method is especially useful for reports, financial documents, or any situation where you need to quickly add numbers from separate tables without switching to Excel or another program. To begin, open your Word document that contains the tables you want to sum. Make sure each table includes the numeric values you want to calculate. Unlike Excel, Word doesn't have a built-in formula bar for all tables, but field codes allow you to reference and compute numbers across different parts of your document. Start by deciding where you want to display the total. Place your cursor at the location where the sum should appear. Then, press Ctrl plus F9 on your keyboard to insert a pair of field brackets. Field codes must be entered between these curly brackets, which tell Word that this section will perform a calculation or reference other parts of the document. Next, type the formula that will sum the tables. For example, if you have totals from two tables labeled Table 1 and Table 2, you would type something like equals Table 1 plus Table 2 within the field brackets. If your tables don't have labels, you can use bookmarks to mark the cells you want to sum. First, select a cell containing a number you want to add. Then go to the Insert tab and click on Bookmark. Give it a name like Total 1 or Value A and click Add. Repeat this for all cells you want to include in the calculation. Once your bookmarks are in place, return to the location where you inserted the field code and reference them in the formula using the bookmark names. For example, type equals Total 1 plus Total 2 plus Total 3. After entering the formula, press F9 to update the field. Word will calculate the total and display the result directly in your document. If you need to make changes, such as updating numbers in the tables, simply modify the original cells and press F9 on the field code again to refresh the calculation. This keeps your totals accurate without manual recalculation. Using field codes in Word to sum multiple tables is a powerful way to automate calculations, saving time and reducing errors in your documents. By leveraging bookmarks and formulas, you can create dynamic totals that update automatically whenever your table data changes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.